Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Food review. This one is Catalyst restaurant. The restaurant is in Brookings. It's kind of at the south tip of Pacific coast of Oregon. We pass through there and then we will enter into California. And we went there to see the setting sun, and in the evening we came to a restaurant. And it's always my family choose restaurant. I do not spend any I do not know anything about choosing food, and he guided me to this place. It's quite a fun place. And something very particular, beautiful about this place. So this place has two rooms, and we were seated at the first room, the little bit outside room. And I was just thinking, it is a good room, quite spacious. But I want to see inside. There is a bar with a different kind of liquor. It just feels a little bit more lively. So I said, may I, do you mind if we want to change seat? And this young lady said, yes, you just need to wait me a few minutes. I will clean it up. And so we waited, and then we sit there. And I feel that she has a beautiful smile and very caring. And there is nothing special, nothing, no special smile. It's just very natural, very original. You feel that heart-to-heart touch that she wants to make you happy. Anyway, we sit there and we started to order. And I was sitting there, I look around, and I found there are some paintings, beautiful painting. So I look at the painting, and there was one painting with a boat and written Catalyst. I was thinking, oh, this must be a fishing boat or something. And then my family, my husband saw it. In the menu, there is the story of this family. And I do not have glasses, so I could not see. Now I am coming back to this voiceover and search online and found it. So maybe I should read it. Restaurant and commercial fishing. So this is in Catalyst website. Catalyst restaurant, Brookings. In 1955, a member of the Gorgon family cast the first line into the Pacific Ocean and became hooked. A legacy of commercial fishing and serving fresh caught fish, seafood to the public began. 4 generations later, the fishing vessel Catalyst was born. 4 generations later. So at the beginning, I think they were just having fun and get some seafood. And 4 generations later, they got their own shipping vessel, Catalyst, hand-built from an unfinished boat hull. The FV Catalyst, I do not understand. FV, maybe fishing vessel. The FV Catalyst took 7 years to finish, to start fishing the wide open sea. With a commercial christening, the boat was finally launched out to the port of Brookings Harbor, Oregon. for its first Dungeness crab season in 2012. I think I forgot Newport or Brookings was the capital, world capital of Dungeness crab. So this is why in Florence we ate the novellis. They are not clam chowder, they are crab chowder soup, right? Remember the other day I made a video of a review of novellis crab chowder soup. Yeah. So Brookings, this part, a little bit southern part of Pacific Ocean, Oregon coast, was famous for the Dungeness crab. After a long family history of selling and serving fresh, locally caught seafood, the Catalyst crew decided to have a home base for their seasonal catches. After much hard work and commitment, Catalyst Seafood Restaurant and Lounge took over the former family-owned Chatco Seafood and was finally opened in 2016. Oh, that is about 8 years ago. Imagine they just opened 2016 and opened 4 years. COVID, you have to close up. They must have been through something, right? At Catalyst Seafood, the Gorgon family and the Catalyst crew strive to serve the best and fresh, locally caught seafood daily and support local fishing all over the Oregon and California coasts. So here comes their slogan: we catch it, we cook it, you eat it. So that was the case. They caught it, they cooked it, and I ate it. So that was the restaurant, and so here are some of the food. Let me take a look of the food. So, so here is the clam chowder, and this is the capital of Dungeness crab, but they are using the traditional clam chowder, and yeah, there is no disappointment. They are always so good, and it's creamy and smooth. And let me see what they stands out. I think there is one thing let them stand out, that the potato in it, it melts in your mouth. Comparing with other places, potato, they have different characters. Some cut into julienne cut, some cut into big chunky part. This one, I think, as I remember, there is no skin of the potato, and it's very smooth, not too much garlicky, not too much spice, not too much onion, not too much garlic. It's a soft, tender. It's almost like baby food. You know, baby food, we do not put too much spice, right? So that is that warm, comfy, and soothing character in it. And I ordered a salad. I want to have some salad. So it's a beautiful, fresh spring baby leaf salad with fish. I think this fish is. Let me see their menu. And the fish is so very tender. Let me see, fish, spring onion, oyster, fish salad, blackened codfish. Oh yes, so I had the salad, now you can, if you go to their website, you can find it. So it's a blackened codfish salad, organic spring mix, bell pepper. I forgot if I had bell pepper, maybe a little bit. Mushroom, a little bit mushroom, grape tomato, cucumber. But anyway, the side things, the salad is very fresh. Something about the Oregon coast, the vegetables are very fresh and very full flavor, not too much industrial kind. And the fish is so very good. It's out of what I usually eat. It melts in your mouth, and the blackened is a way of seasoning, a little bit extra seasoning or a black pepper seasoning. Oh, it's so tender, so juicy, and melts in your mouth, and you can feel that the meat is tight, not tight as unchewable, frozen tight. It's just the fish is healthy and strong with the good muscle, that kind of tight, and very pure, because they are fresh. They came out just the same day from the seaport, from their commercial catalyst vessel. So it's so good. I do not have word to say it. And another thing we had is a clam soup. Let me see, what is that? That is not sandwich, entree pao pao. Oh, pao pao clam strip tacos, fish and shrimp tacos, entree chowder bowl. Oh, crispy oyster clam strip. I think it's a pao pao clam. No, I cannot see. Oyster crispy. Oh my goodness, where is it? Clam strip, fish and fried onion. A steamer clam with andouille sauce, sausage, garlic, white wine, ciabatta, garlic bread. So, it's just something stands out is that freshness, and there is some garlic. Comparatively, this is the most garlicky comparing with the other things. And that andouille salad adds a little bit of spiciness, and the tomato sauce, the red sauce, make it sweet, a little bit sour, a little bit sweet, a little bit garlicky, a little bit spicy, and you can taste the white wine. They do put quite some white wine. I think it's just the right amount, or a little bit more than just the right amount. So I can feel the right wine, white wine that make it good. Stands out is that ciabatta bread. Oh, so very good. And the ciabatta bread is soft, and they grilled on the two sides, and then put some garlic butter, and that crispiness, kachi kachi, and then inside is soft. I'm sorry, I still remember it. I love bread that so airy, so crunchy, and so tender, soft. Anyway, it's so very good. I love it very, very much. And that's it. I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful day. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Goo, goo, bye, bye.